Okay, I got a customer here that had a 98 Chevy Astrovan with a 4.3 liter V6 in it. Said it was backfiring, wasn't running right and everything else and all that. Got it, and I decided to check the fire on it. I decided to start with the way I do things. If it's not getting fire from the distributor, it's not getting fire through the spark plug. So number 1 and 2 cylinder on the distributor cap wasn't putting out anything at all. Well, she had told me that they had running out of fuel and it had backfired through the carburetor, which is not carbureted. We all know that. It's all throttle body fuel injected on this. It's got the spider. So I got to look at it to make sure everything else is correct, all running good. I went and got a distributor cap, put on it, and it's running like a charm. I did go ahead and take the map sensor off because she said it backfired through it, which could put carbon and everything on it. I did go ahead and take the map sensor off, cleaned the map sensor up, checked it, turned out fine. I reset the ECM on it. It's running beautiful, idle's good, no misses. Running like a new van. So I just want to throw this out to anybody who's had problems with their 4.3s. That I've had all kind of people say something about, oh, it's your fuel, they lost it and all that. Well, you got to have fire to burn that fuel. Start at your distributor. If it ain't firing off of that, go to your fuel. 99.9% of the time, it did not jump the timing at all. It's in your electronics. Then you can go down to your fuel rail, to your spider, and all that good stuff. I hope this helps anybody, but this is what I found. This is what I come up with. Start with the top end of your electronics, and then go from there. Thanks for watching.